The Advanced Nature and Animal Communication Workshop is a specially curated nature retreat wherein our focus is a deep dive into the various facets related to telepathic nature and animal communication and various healing modalities, which in itself is truly a journey within for each participant.
The locations for these workshops are carefully selected to be in the lap of nature. Our participants can enjoy fresh air away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, have free-flowing, enriching conversations, delve into new and interesting learnings, and connect with their inner selves.
We at Nature Tales put our heart and soul into curating these retreats to make it a truly memorable experience for all those who share space with us.
Come join us and be a part of this transformational journey.